Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. Gary Snyder. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. Alice Walker. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Frank Lloyd Wright. The earth has music for those who listen. William Shakespeare. We still do not know 1,000% of what nature has revealed to us. Albert Einstein. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Nature is the art of God. Dante Alighieri. Nature has been for me, for as long as I remember, a source of solace, inspiration, adventure, and delight. A home, a teacher, a companion. Lorraine Anderson. I think having land and not ruining it is the most beautiful art that anybody could ever want. Andy Warhol. Nature is a mirror of art. Nature is the art of God. Nature is the source of all true knowledge. Leonardo da Vinci. There is no Wi-Fi in the forest, but I promise you will find a better connection. Ralph Smart. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Chief Seattle. Nature is the best teacher of wisdom. Nature is the true and eternal teacher of art. Samuel Palmer. Being able to smell the fresh air and disconnect from the news and your phone. There's nothing like it. Jason Ward.